Hey everyone, welcome back. Nightcliff Tigers Fishing Club here, Ash Kendre, how are you? Today we're going to be out, got our new drone out, we're going to do a little bit of footage here. You can see in the background here, I'm still at work out in the middle of the Pilbara, but we've got the drone the SJRC drone. We're going to get that up in the air, try and get some footage for you. Hopefully something we can use at the Classic and get some great fishing shots. See if you like it. It's a cheap version, only costs a couple $100, so if you're just trying it out, probably a great way to start off and see just your drone skills. Anyway, let's see what we can do. As you can see, we've got a little mate, our drone. Here it is, the SJRC. A bit windy today, so it's going to be a little bit tricky, so we'll see how we go. Let's see what Rightio, let's do some flying. You can take it up to about 30 metres in the safety mode, so I'm going to take it up to... While I'm up here, I'll get some footage of the camp. You can record straight to your phone, so it should be in 1080p. So we'll do some footage of that right now. Struggle with the wind, that's the only thing I will say. It's probably a light breeze, so it is struggling. I've had to bring it down a bit. Once you lower down, it seems to get a little bit harder, easier to get through. So anyway, there you go. one of our first flights. What can I say? Wind, it's pretty bad. I don't know if you can see the trees blowing, probably 10 to 15 knots, I guess. Maybe a little bit harder once you get up there. But yeah, she struggled a little bit with the wind. She drifted off about 100 metres, so it's a little tricky. Wind's obviously going to be an issue. Other than that, steering, flying, everything else, no dramas at all. For the price, yeah, it's probably what I expected. We'll have to check out the footage and see if the footage is good, because that's the important stuff. See if we need to look at a DJ1, like a little Spark or something, see if one of them can get into the wind a bit better. But overall, I'm pretty happy with it, and yeah, we'll see how we go. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, ding on the bell. Doesn't make a sound. I think YouTube needs to fix that part. But yeah, it doesn't cost you anything, but it'll definitely help us out. Go down below below the comments. See our sponsors: Fishing Outdoor World, Boca Bearings, Woo Tungsten. Make sure if you need anything, we've got some discounts there for Boca Bearings and for Woo Tungsten. Get on them, and yeah, have a great day.